Impact crusher is a production equipment that crushes materials through high-speed impact. In the crushing production line, it is mainly used for secondary crushing of materials. It is composed of impact frame, upper box, lower box, runner assembly, blow bar, and other components. An impact crusher independently developed and designed by DHL. The impact frame is ranged along an involute line, and the impact plate is in a zigzag shape. The gap between the impact plate and the blow hammer is adjustable, which can effectively control the discharging particle size. It also provides two-cavity and three-cavity options to meet different production needs, and the crushing is powerful. It can accept larger feed particle size. The crushing efficiency is greatly improved. The output is higher, and it has been widely used in the sand and gravel crushing market.